Good afternoon, India, and hello, world. We are at Automation 2022 Expo at Mumbai NESCO, and with me, Mr. Hemal Desai sir is there. He is a Vice President and Quality and Marketing Communication. So, Hemal sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed here, or any innovative product are you displaying here?
Good afternoon. We have had a lot of products here. I think one of the key products what we are displaying here is the IoT ecosystem, which is known as Netillion. And this basically supports most of our process instrumentation, which goes in any process industry. So that's one of the innovative products what we have here. The second product what we have here
Sir, we are on round, sir.
is our on-site calibration rig, which is, as you know, calibration is one of the key requirements of any process industry, where you use all these equipments, but you need to ensure that they are calibrated well. So this is our NABL traceable and accredited calibration rig, what you see here, which is again a unique offering from our side to the process industry. Just behind you is another one of our latest offerings, which is known as Raman Raman analyzer, a Raman spectrophotometer. This basically gives you composition in some of the key industries like life sciences, petrochemicals, biotech. We have many products, but I think these are some of the key ones which you see today and which are shown to the people who have come here in 2022.
Very nice technology are you showcasing here, sir. And second thing, sir, can you brief our visitor what is our stall number so people can visit and see this innovation?
Yeah, we are in hall number 1, and our stall number is H for Holland, H2. So anybody can come here during the 4 days of the event and visit us. We'll be glad to visit.
So thank you, Hemal sir, for your valuable time, sir.
Thank you so much.